What up? It me.
Welcome to my
Life.
baby, take control now. We can't.
What's up? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What's up? Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a is this lighting okay? I don't know. Okay. Kinda hate it, but so for today's video I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve makeup look kind of thing. Okay, yeah. So I was trying to look like New Year's Eve. Charlie said, I want to be in the video. Hi, Charlie. Okay, bye. I love New Year's Eve makeup looks because, like, sparkles. I really hope that this lighting is, like, okay, because kind of look like a ghost, but, like, you know, if I turn the exposure way down, then I look weird. And then if I turn it way up, then I look, like, actually scary. And, like, the middle is just too much, so I'm just gonna have to, okay, so let's get started. I really want to do a wing, but wings are very scary to me, so we'll see how that goes. Okay. I forgot to do blush. Hold on. Alright, so let's rock and roll. Okay, so I kind of just want my eyelids to be like plain and then like a wing with like glitter on it. That's what I'm kind of feeling. I'm going on a date with Jake after this, so I don't want to look too crazy. But you know, he's used to it. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Anastasia Mona Renaissance, and I'm going to be using Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. Comment down below what you do for New Year's Eve. Every New Year's Eve, I hang out with my best friend, Hannah, who was in my last video. I hang out with her because it's her birthday. So I use this Pretty Vulgar in the ink. I don't know if it's called the ink or if that's the shade. It's 01 Blacklist gel eyeliner. Oh, that's a lot. Oh my god. Should I zoom in? That's close enough. You really don't want to see any closer than that. I like it like that. Okay. That's how I do eyeliner, in case you were wondering. So like I have creases in my eyes because my eyes are so big. So like when I'm doing eyeliner, I smile and then I get a crease in my eye and then that's how I draw the line. This eyeliner is like clumping. That's not okay for me. Oh my god. What the freak is that? Okay.
One eternity later.
This one looks bad. So over top of it, I'm gonna take this. It's a Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art Line and Lash. I don't know. So there we go. Yes, that's gold. Okay, now I'm sparkling. Okay. What else do I want? I feel like I want to deepen up the crease a little. Wait for my eyelids to dry. They're like really making me a little sticky feeling. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Mona Renaissance again and do the Cypress Umber and just put that like right in the outer crease. Okay, so in my Mona Renaissance palette, I'm just gonna take the Vermeer, I think it says. It's like this light sparkly shade, and I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm just gonna put that on the lid. And on top of it, I'm gonna put Primavera just to make it more gold toned. Okay, for the lower lash line, I want to add some color, but I don't know what color. And I'm just gonna do like this really bright pink. It's called Love Letter. And I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. Okay, my camera stopped recording because I ran out of space, but I deleted some stuff and we're back. So I added the pink. So I'm using my Model's Own in Golden San Juan. And I'm gonna add highlight to my nose, my cheekbone. I'm not gonna do fake eyelashes just because I'm lazy. What? I look kind of ugly, but like we're just gonna roll with it.
Nah, dog, you beautiful. You strong. Hey.
I look ugly.
You look beautiful. Oh my gosh, you look beautiful. Look at you, queen.
No, I really don't like it's so bad, but like, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna use Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. Hey, but I don't like matte. Hold on. This is matte too. Everything I have is matte. We're just gonna work with it. We're gonna mix the 3 things together. So I'm gonna mix Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, then this Revlon Lip Gloss something pretty, and then the one I just mentioned. Alright people, I'm on with closer. So, this is my final look. I hope you guys like this makeup look. If you do, redo it. Tag me in a pic on Instagram. You know, started off going bad, but I think it ended okay. Anyways, hope you guys have a lovely New Year's Eve and a happy New Year. I am so excited for the new year because I'm graduating, and 2019, I just feel it's gonna be a great year. So I hope your year's great. Let me know New Year's goals down below. If you like makeup related videos, please let me know down below, because I love to do makeup related videos because I love makeup. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave a comment. That's all I have to say, and my makeup is done, so that means this video is coming to a close. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!